Thank you for choosing All About Stocks. My name is Alan. Today we're going to be going over AGNC. Interestingly enough, a few months back, right before the quarter, I did go over AGNC. So we're just going to be going to take another look at it. I'm going to make it brief. Hopefully you enjoy. Go ahead and hit subscribe, maybe the like button. Thank you. I hope you enjoy. So I went ahead and highlighted AGNC in the yellow here. And starting off, we do have AGNC's dividend. It still is at the 12 cents. And if we skip over here, we do have the assets. The current assets are going to be at the 75,000. I'm sorry, it's 75 million. Everything here is in thousands. So we're at 75 and 64 for the liabilities. And that's going to give us the current ratio of the 1.17, which it is a little bit low, but with it being a RET, I do believe it's going to be okay. That's my personal opinion. I don't know if I just really like AGNC or if, I'm just okay with RETs. Either way, that's just me. I'm not a financial advisor. Don't take my opinion. I just enjoy doing this. Here we are, debt to equity. Debt to equity is high, but once again, we're back to it's a RET. They pay out 90% to shareholders and dividends. They did lose money last quarter at negative 411. So that's something to keep an eye on. Return on equity, negative 385. Now that, once again, should be expected with them having a negative net income. And their current share price did go down. I think last quarter they're right around 1735, 1745. So they lost about $1 there. Their shares, look at my notes here. Their shares, they did increase shares by about 100,000. They were about 424 last quarter. So that's something to keep an eye on. Once again, that's another way you can lose money is if a company continues to increase their shares. So something I have been working on is EPS. I've been trying to get them to line up. For some reason, I can't get my EPS to match up with Yahoo's. Let's see here. Anything else good? So the company does have preferred shares, 61,500. And they do pay a preferred dividend of $2 per year. So they did increase that. I believe it is by 500. And these are in thousands once again, so remember that. Hopefully you did enjoy this video. It was a little short. I do have links in my description. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Like, subscribe. I will have videos on these right here coming out hopefully this week, and I'll be working on mainly RETs coming up for this month, and these are all monthly dividend paying stocks. Alright, have a great day. Thank you for watching.